Sports on Air.
What's the second?
Obviously, we lost. So, they won the game more than us. So, basically, that's the story of the game. So, from the start pa lang, they came out really aggressive. They really started the game well. From there, hindi na kami nakakaabot. So, they were ready. They're more ready than us. So, it's a story of the game.
Explain mo ano yung nangyari ko.
Madami. So, madami. Isa-isahin ko kulang to. Oras natin dito. But again, a lot of learnings na pwede namin makita from this game going to the playoffs. So, I hope this is a wake-up call again for us, and especially going to the playoffs na. Especially these last 3 games. So, I think looking at the bright side, I think mas hindi naman okay, but I think this game can serve as a lesson para sa amin na we can just win with our offense. We have to make an effort to play our defense. Again, we have to get back to our identity as a team. Look at this game going forward. Sana marami kami matutunan ng this game.
And may in-address pa si Coach Team after.
Wala naman. It's very obvious naman talaga na game. Hindi na niya kailangan i-say pa kasi alam na namin. Alam na namin kung bakit. I mean, we know that Meralco will really come out aggressive and strong this game because lagi naman every time we play Meralco, especially this conference, lagi silang ready to play us. So, mali namin. Parang hindi kami naging ready. The whole game, the start pa lang. Parang we started flat and then from there, hindi na kami nakarecover. So hindi na niya kailangan i-address pa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.